First of all, good morning, friends. This time I am present in Sitamarhi ITI. My trade is wireman. Wireman means only for wiring work. So you can see this, bro. I started wiring of office wiring. So you can see, bro. So first of all, you take plier and one line tester and one screwdriver. Okay. After that, wiring started. First of all, a screw is over. After that, take wire and three button holder and three include three bulb and one bell means ghanti. Okay, bro. So after that, wiring this type of you can see. And first of all, it prior. After that, it one join, one phase, three include three two-way switch. Three two-way switch include one phase wire. Okay, and one wire include three Newton wire. Okay. So you can see, bro, and take knowledge this type of, and you also practice, and you also this type of work you over. Okay, friends. So this type of you open and over. Okay, so you can see one include one phase wire like this, and one wire one include in button holder, one include button holder. This type of one include of Newton wire. Okay, so this type of phase down. After that, take one line tester. This type of, and let's go on board, near board. Okay, so first of all take line tester. After that, first of all you check in a board hole, in which hole, so phase line, this type of. So you check and bulb is open. So you can see, bro, and Newton hole is not bulb open in line tester. Okay, so this is good, and this who holes open the bulb. So this type of wire in phase wire in hole push. Okay, so first of all you open off the switch and you push wire and take another wire, Newton wire. Okay, so you can see, bro, and take this type of push. Okay, and open the switch and let's go on himself wiring. So friends, this type of you also take knowledge and wiring practice at home, and you also wiring join of office. So this type of you can see, bro. First of all open the switch. So one bulb is open. Okay, and one bulb is open, and this type of, so you near, bro, and this type of take bell. So this type of push and bell is open. So this type of you can see, bro, and off switch, so off bulb, off switch, off bulb, and bell will open. So you can see, bro, this type of phase wiring. So this name is office wiring, pro. This time I am present in ITI. My friends, my learner is Manoj sir. He is my teacher. So you can see my teachers, and only every day present in my ITI. Okay, so, and I am also present in ITI, and this is my learner of ITI, and many types of wiring of learning himself. Okay, so that's all, friends. Keep laughing, keep smiling. Have a nice day.